The Instant Omni Pro 19QD/18L is a versatile kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a convection oven, air fryer, toaster, broiler, and dehydrator in one. With its large 19-quart/18-liter capacity, it can easily accommodate a whole chicken or a 12-inch pizza. The Omni Pro features 11 smart programs that allow you to cook a variety of foods with just the touch of a button. These programs include bake, broil, roast, dehydrate, air fry, slow cook, reheat, toast, bagel, pizza, and ferment. Additionally, the appliance comes with a custom temperature and time setting, giving you full control over your cooking. Other features of the Instant Omni Pro 19QD/18L include an interior light, a non-stick interior, a built-in timer, and an automatic shut-off function for added safety. The appliance also comes with several accessories, including a baking tray, drip tray, air fryer basket, and crumb tray, making it a complete cooking solution. Overall, the Instant Omni Pro 19QD/18L is a highly versatile and functional kitchen appliance that can help you cook a wide range of foods with ease. Its large capacity, advanced heating technology, and intuitive controls make it a great choice for anyone looking to streamline their cooking process. The 11 smart programs that come with the Omni Pro make it easy to cook a variety of different dishes. The bake, broil, and roast settings are perfect for meats and vegetables, while the dehydrate function is great for making dried fruits, jerky, and herbs. The air fry function is a healthier alternative to deep frying, while the slow cook and reheat settings make it easy to prepare stews, casseroles, and leftovers. The pizza and bagel functions are ideal for toasting, and the ferment setting is perfect for making homemade bread or yogurt. Heating technology. The Omni Pro uses advanced heating technology to evenly distribute heat throughout the cooking chamber. This ensures that your food cooks evenly and comes out perfectly every time. The appliance also has a convection fan that circulates hot air around the food, allowing it to cook faster and more efficiently. Accessories. The Omni Pro comes with several accessories that make it a complete cooking solution. These include a baking tray, drip tray, air fryer basket, and crumb tray. The baking tray and drip tray are perfect for roasting meats and vegetables, while the air fryer basket is great for making crispy fries, chicken wings, and more. The crumb tray makes it easy to clean up after cooking. Other features. The Omni Pro has a non-stick interior that makes it easy to clean. It also has an interior light that allows you to check on your food without opening the door. The appliance has a built-in timer and an automatic shut-off function that ensures your food doesn't overcook or burn. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video.